गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आई हूँ अनदर सेट ऑफ 5 क्विक, इजी, अंडर 10 मिनट्स प्रोटीन पैक्ड ब्रेकफास्ट रेसिपीज। हम जॉब वालों के लिए सुबह का हर मिनट बहुत कीमती होता है और वीकडेज का ब्रेकफास्ट उससे भी बड़ा चैलेंज है। तो चलिए इसको आसान बनाते हैं इन 5 वीकडे रेसिपीज के साथ, which will keep you energetic and give you a great start to the day. So let's make mornings better together. Let's kickstart the week with protein-packed cheela. Start by soaking the daals overnight. You will need moong dal, sabut moong, lobia, white chana and masoor dal. Refer to video description for the quantity. In the morning, rinse the soaked dals thoroughly. For the batter, you will need salt, hing, onion, a piece of ginger, green chili and a pinch of turmeric for color. Add all the ingredients into a mixing jar and grind them into a smooth batter. You can also add any vegetables of your choice. Now let's move to the stove. Heat a non-stick tawa and add a little ghee. Once it is hot, pour the batter onto the tawa and spread it evenly. Let it cook for a few minutes, then flip it over. Add a little more ghee and cook until the cheela is golden and slightly crisp. And there you have it, your protein-packed cheela is ready. Enjoy it with sauce or mint or imli chutney. Let's make guacamole toast for a delicious Tuesday morning. You will need olive oil, salt, mixed herbs, avocado, lemon and tomato. Start by slicing the avocado in half and scooping out the flesh. Then mash it well in a bowl and squeeze half a lemon into the mashed avocado. Add about a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil, salt to taste and a pinch of mixed herbs. Then finely chop the tomato. Next, take slices of sourdough multigrain bread or any bread of your choice and toast them. Now spread the guacamole on top and garnish with the chopped tomato. For winter, I have prepared a special dry fruit powder that pairs perfectly with hot milk. Let me know in the comments if you would like to have the recipe. That is it. Enjoy your guacamole toast with a warm cup of kesar badam milk. For 1 serving of fluffy scrambled eggs, you will need 2 eggs, oregano and chili flakes, about 2 tablespoons of milk and a pinch of salt. Start by beating the eggs in a bowl. Add the milk and salt and beat until everything is well combined. That is it. Now turn on the stove and heat a non-stick pan. Add a little ghee or butter. Pour in the egg mixture and stir occasionally and not too frequently. You've got this. Now I am slicing a few pieces of sourdough multigrain bread and toasting them. Yay! It's time to plate. Sprinkle oregano and chili flakes on the scrambled eggs and spread butter on the toast. Done, done, done! Enjoy this quick and delicious breakfast. Let's make crunchy and nutritious homemade granola to energize you. You will need various nuts, seeds, berries, butter, cinnamon, vanilla essence, honey and rolled oats. Coarsely grind all the nuts. Then in a large bowl, mix and stir everything together until well combined. This recipe takes some time, so it's great to make in advance. Prepare it over the weekend and store it for quick breakfasts during busy weekdays. Now preheat your oven to 200 degrees. Line a baking tray with paper and spread the granola mixture evenly on the tray. Bake for around 20 minutes, flipping the mixture every 3 to 4 minutes to ensure it cooks evenly and turns golden brown. Once done, let it cool in a large bowl. Add the dried berries and mix well. Then store the granola in an airtight container. This granola is incredibly addictive and is one of my favorite meals. I like to mix mine with protein powder for a wholesome meal. Enjoy your instant breakfast. Let's make a savory paneer sandwich for the perfect end to the week. You will need paneer, salt, bell peppers, mixed herb, chili flakes, olive oil, cucumber, tomato and lettuce. Take bread of your choice and slice it. Now slice the paneer into slightly thicker pieces. Also slice the cucumber and tomato. Chop the bell peppers into thin strips. We are using bell peppers to make a simple salad. You can skip it if you are short on time. Heat a tawa or a non-stick pan. Drizzle some olive oil and saute the paneer, bread and bell peppers for about 5 minutes. I prefer using a dosa tawa as it helps saute everything in one go and saves time. Season with salt, mixed herbs and chili flakes as per your taste. Once everything is ready, spread some mint mayonnaise on the toasted bread. I'm using store-bought, fat-free version. Layer the sandwich with lettuce, sauteed paneer, cucumber, tomato and top it off with your favorite sauce. Assemble the sandwich and you are all set to enjoy your delicious savory meal.